was fast, fascinating, charismatic. And to maintain this lifestyle, I work really hard. If you see this glamorous industry from this side of the table, it is full of stress and uncertainty, which led me to premature graying. And here it is. It is happening. I was looking for something which won't damage my hair, unlike coloring them or other chemical treatments. Then I came to know about ThriveCo's Hair Prime Serum, which has science-backed ingredients that can naturally bring back the lost pigment of my hair. I have been trying this treatment for about 5 months, and results are miraculous. This is the perfect solution for the grey hair problems. I am gonna use it. What are you waiting for?